Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to connect ManyChat to ConvertKit. First, you'll need to create or sign in to your Zapier account. Zapier is the bridge that connects ManyChat and ConvertKit, allowing your subscriber data to flow automatically between the two. Once you're in your Zapier dashboard, click on Create and then choose Zaps. This is where you'll build your automation. For the Trigger app, search and select ManyChat. Then choose a trigger event, for example, new subscriber or tag applied, depending on how you want the automation to start. Next, connect your ManyChat account to Zapier. Click on Sign In, then approve Zapier's access to your ManyChat account. Now for the action step, search and select ConvertKit. Choose what you want to happen when the trigger fires, such as add subscriber to form or add tag to subscriber. To connect ConvertKit, click on Sign In and enter your API key. To find it, go to your ConvertKit account, navigate to Settings, then Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Paste it into Zapier and confirm the connection. After both accounts are linked, you can customize your setup. For example, which form or tag in ConvertKit should receive the subscriber from ManyChat. Once that's done, click Test to make sure the data is transferring correctly. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap. And that's it! You've successfully connected ManyChat to ConvertKit through Zapier. Now, every time someone subscribes or interacts through ManyChat, they'll automatically be added to your ConvertKit list. I hope this video makes the process easy and clear for you. If it helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.